People, you see Anna is a wicked girl to her mother. And you see if this not stage, if I not act the whole, because sometimes me wonder if I pretend the whole family them are pretending, you know. Because me not know a daughter could have so wicked to their mother. But that's why everything from this video, like I just one thing will happen before I post the next video. But want to watch that one here and tell me what I think, what I thought about this. When I think this real, like a daughter can be so wicked to their mother, where birth them and only show them love all them life. Tell me, want to listen carefully and please remember to support my channel by subscribing. Just that, just subscribe. You know if you do not more and comment your thoughts on that wicked girl here. Me no know, just listen.
She love you. So why you can't just make sure that she good and she happy?
Why you
not shut up, brother? You quick to come disrespect people, bro. And you did a fear what they and disrespect you. So how comes you come try disrespect you, man? No, bro. Can you stand that bad man? I'm here, brother.
Yeah, I give it for you all up there. I say you all up there.
I'm here, bro.
Now this ain't a big man. Just I tell you the truth. It's just the truth, me I tell you. Me not tell you no bad word and them something there. You understand me? Just I tell you the truth. You have woman strength.
I tell you
a woman strength you have.
Negative side, bad man.
You go restart, it's alright. Anna, Anna, look on my face, may I beg you. Take up your phone and call my phone and make a man come this a certain way. You don't have to sleep there so tonight and the baby don't have to sleep there so tonight. I tell you, when I ask Christ, act like you don't have no family. Use up a little bit of family where you have funny land. You have we, you're not nobody else, you're not no stranger out there. We you have your blood. You understand me? Use what you have right now instead of we tear down each other. You understand me? I say stand up as one. Hey, look at dirty boy, me not chat here, you know. Because I see a bruise on our blood clot head. A problem in this blood clot, yeah. Remember me tell you that. Me say take up your phone and call me, you know.
You're not listening to nothing what she say.
Oh, remember Barista, me not play no game with you. You beat up my people when me care for 9 months.
You not style,
you come chat up your mouth.
You not style, your brother.
Chat say, want me to start play nice with them, me not play nice with none of uno. Oh, me go restart. Play nice with it was not Godzilla 1, 2 no. One of us did they start make your baby feel like your baby torment. If you want good left, it's simple. Yo, let me restart the live here, you know, before them take me down. Hypocrite. When you sit down in front of them and play hypocrite. If it's a prank, them come say it's a prank. You understand me? It don't look good for a young girl. And I'm my pity when me care for 9 months. And can you hear some boy out there beat me pitney? You think he look good? Me dey on For You page. And me go sit on the For You page where boy you deal with a certain type of way. Me not go feel good about that as a mother. Not because me no man. Every mother want to protect them cub. She need to love herself more. And me I tell her the truth. Me not go sit down there and smile up with her. And did say go like you not go tell her the truth. Girl, you're too wicked to yourself. It's simple. If a boy you diss me them way, they take up your phone and call your people.
I always do anything to make me look like dog shit, bro. Anything to make me look bad.
And you don't know about the situation I can't fuck myself.
And what that have to do with nothing?
Bro.
And what that have to do with nothing? And if me disrespect you now, you're going to run and palm if you can't try style. But I'm here, brother. I'm here, bro.
I'm alive there and I'm not moving. So keep the phone charge.
I'm here, brother.
Yes, I am. I'm very immature, psycho.
Immature, bad man. You disrespect me. You disrespect me for no reason. And everybody are go out and still want to scream a card. She go see the scream a card saying that Ray are going and red hands put in your hand for Anna. That's the first thing they gonna put out there. So she come now and she say, yo, Ray, any mother would have do that. Don't put your hand on me girl pick me right. Stop deal with the girl pick me so. Any mother would do that. Just like when you call for your mother. And you say, mommy, this big pussy girl right. Left him wingy, left the dirty girl. Me can't ever style a mama yet. No, quick for this up my own. All when I half a mother, still the mother. Yeah, mommy, you can't come for me.
Can't come for you?
Yeah, you can't come for me. I'm supposed to all the farces. Me there something there. Me I forgot tell him, me no know me can't tell the location pan this.
You can't tell me the location on WhatsApp. You're not to spend the night with nobody else. You can't spend the night with me. Just call me and make a driver pick you up. Just tell me not to come pick you up at your yard if you don't want me to pick you up exactly at your yard. But you can't see, you have to tell the driver when me to pick you up.
Yeah.
Hey, Chup. Chups. Anna, you coming?
Yeah, I come in and see you sense. Come there, you know, this man in disrespect and and I like saying like some people, you do wrong, you disrespect me. Explain and talk and make you know. I just pay disrespect. This for no reason. Me not understand. No love no did them, no make no sense. Cause me there so I try if I get disrespect and people look down upon me like me nobody. Stop booby.
Look here, you see because me know that you see because me know say you have that little soft don't touch there for that for Daniel. All I'm saying to you is, right? Just take a day or two for yourself. Sometimes you need to breathe. Sometimes you need to think. You understand me? Sometimes you need to see yourself. You understand? And if you're running in an environment where everything is just, you understand what I say? And you not see yourself, it not go nowhere. Me I tell you that. You and him need to agree. So just take some time for yourself. Think about yourself. Just tell yourself, so look here, I'm just gonna take a 2 days, 3 days, and that's it. Just relax.
Yeah.
Think about it that way. You don't have to think about it, say I left him. Just say, look here, me I go breeze off and come back. Him the online and do him thing, you the one side of your thing anyway you're there. And just go and relax and breeze out.
Yeah. No problem in that. As long as you're cool with it. No problem. Cause what I do this so me plan to go out for stay.
And I stop saying something there. Stop saying that. Me hear y'all say, oh, the baby I go sleep in a house and then something. Stop saying, one time me I thought me I want to for prank and then something for serious something. Stop saying that.
Me not do nothing. Me not do nothing for get up and a style me so.
So and how you make that the man they take away you not take back some of your strengths. You need to take back some of your strength, girl. I'll wait till my bed and I'll the floor. Dash some cooking like on the floor, girl.
The man you come from out of prison, man. They fight like say them a man.
No. Well, you amp it up. You need to amp it up. You need back some of your strength. You just give man the whole of your strength. You need to wait till him a bed. I'll the bathroom and drop him a ground and beat him. Beat out your ass, make him drop till him can't run. You hear me tell you? I run left him. You need to take back some of your strength, man. You give the man everything. You whole of your strength, everything you attack, girl. Me not lie to you. My ask her for make me come for her. My ask her just all you have to do is tell if you want me meet you out of where you call it this so?
Where that?
You're still close to outer. You're close to outer Ray Ray this so?
No, me move. The way
You
up
move
to, yeah, big move with the way up, this a side of name, a cobbler. Well, me don't remember, me I ask, and then me text you and make you know. Me did
Pack
move.
2 piece of clothes and jag one bonnet over the head there. Pack 2 piece of clothes, 3 panty. We rotate the baggy them, the bag go dry pan line. Come. Put something nice. Drop 2 of the pretty wig them in the bag. I come one borrow one. But drop one wig in the bag. Get some glue. Make sure you put some makeup in there. Can't one suit so you can't swim in now. Pack up the bag now, you there, sir. Pack the bag.
No wig.
Eh?
No wig.
Well, can't something to fix up your ear. Can't something to fix your ear. Bring something to fix up your ear. Carry one bad suit. Bring 2 to 3 panty. When you call me and tell me which part of the driver will find you. No girl, and I serious something. I left me dinner money I eat me and spend it. I go come. I saw you go, Father God, I go bless her. She needs some fresh air. And sometimes you need some time for just laugh and talk and around your people, no matter what. You understand?
Yeah. Me, you know, me sense. Me don't respect me none time. Just be a disrespect for no reason. People are
Guys, we can get some tops, please. We are asking some tops, chat. Yeah, baby. Enough respect, baby. I bet you when Chuck see me glad. Watch out. Why me I get restriction? What me do? I wonder if I become my boobs them get big.
Yeah, the body part. You have to cover your body.
I do, guys. I'm a dress. They must see them have to block me for my dress. The boy me did have boobs. What they would I do? This is what they're asking out hinting. No man, because what them a block me for? Me dress them a block me for. Nothing want it. Look here, you are the can't see no breast. What them a block me for? What them a do that for? Hey, what you say, Annie? Yeah, then. And the pan live. Make she have a business out there then. Cause nowadays, you know want to go work as man. You not remember hard earned sweat. If your mother did grow you good, you would understand yourself as a man. Cause first thing first, you're comfortable beating a woman. I mean, never hear upon God history and heard say you beat a blood clot man. I never hear say you beat a blood clot boy yet. Remember me tell you. You would have been one of the biggest tournament in Jamaica. Anyway, you call Annie, and me not do nothing wrong.
No, people, this is when me start believe say yo something in something, cause our mother feel I tell her say yo I not go pack no, you know we are weird pan on them something. Now if I something more seriously, she knows say she and the man in a war on them something, then our mother feel tell her say go pack, and then to she did all end the life. She never have to end the life, you know, but she end the life. From she end the life there, me I say you know, and the people them a comment and say yo don't end the life, cause they know people concerned. They don't know what can happen when she go end the life. So the people must say yo don't end the life. I mean know say she say, I mean know she know say yo people are gonna tell her don't end the life, but she go like she not read no comments, and she did end the life. But for see what really go on the next day coming from this, after all of this, people just go up on the channel you will see what happened the next day. Oh, that girl are wicked. You understand? And remember to do subscribe to the channel, please. Me I beg you to subscribe and like up the video and wanna comment. Alright? Yeah, that girl man, wicked piece of girl.
Fling them in her bag.
Fling them in there.
You think you look good where I go there so, and look on it, I go here say she out the road and she and my pitney. And see no go am to she know a stranger there so, where stranger could have diss me and still can't come back. You understand what me I say? I'm still have to look on it say I'm a grandbaby. You get me? I'm a grandbaby mother. And so me have to look on it, you know. You understand? Because I could have looked on it any other way, you know. Me I tell you, you know, but me have to look on it and say that's my grandbaby mother. So guess what? me end up have to be the bigger person and come down on a level and say, you know what, me go try to see how we can work out something for the kids them. So me I go feel good for years and my daughter out a road. You understand me? And boy out there go this her. And she go sleep a road. And she have to go beg people to put her up. You understand me? Because what? No, it not go work. You all wanna come. You all wanna come. Come. I saw it go. Family live bad. I saw it go. We cause we fight, we tear down each other, we tell lie on each other. I saw it go. We are family same way. Come. Come. Nobody now go thump you in your eye, nobody now push you down, and nobody now go make you feel no bad energy. Anybody make you feel a bad energy, lock the door. Cool. Lock the door. When time she closely ready with me call it driver, I ask the driver to go pick her up for me. She have to just give me her location. That's all she have to give me. It burn me feel me now. Somebody go doing back things, you know. Somebody go doing me feel away, you know. Me tell me there's some real brother around me, you know. That boy, me foot them would have mash up. Me no business. It burn me feel more while, bro. It burn me feel, man. Somebody go give me say all of them, lick all of them. Anything what you do, you go get it back 10 times 10. Me I tell you that. Cause me no wish upon nobody girl pick me. Me no wish upon nobody girl pick me. Me no know if love can stay so. When you just weak to somebody. And if a man out there, me I tell you as a man, if you see a woman love you that much and weak to you that much, not take advantage of people girl pick me. I tell you.
I come here pack up Baba pan now.
Before my business if you want to cuss me, go cuss you swat him, woman. Anything you do, remember me tell him lock her, me turn the life pan him and me get evidence. Me get evidence. She stay upon the life right, yes so. And when time he feel like she not have no mother, and he feel like she not have no family, that is the time he go take a set pan her and do her things. And that him do. He try to influence her, make she feel like she not have nobody at all. Like she cut off from the whole world, she not have no family, nobody at all, no did they fear. So when him get that the opportunity they know, and at the time them start advantage her. Make him stay there and cuss. Then go cuss his mother, go cuss the fly with the on the wall. Him can't cuss nobody, him go cuss in green arm. When if you go cuss with him, go cuss with roll arm. Tell if you go cuss with dove. Yeah. And that him go cuss with. Tell if you go cuss with dove. Yeah. Tell if you go cuss with simple Bible. Tell if you go cuss with 2 green lime. Green no backside for your young boy. I must say that's why you're so miserable. You're miserable because your arm green. You can't have an argument with me. Oh.
You ready now?
Ready now, babe?
Yeah.
What you want me to know? Come down and take a location. May I call the driver now?
Yeah.
Stay up on the live. Don't end your life. Do not end your life, please. Don't end your life.
Tell me a number so I can send the location.
I send me number already. It's in your inbox.
Alright.
Yeah, so text me now. May I call the driver now? May I call him and make him pick me up? May I come with him? Come here, we just swing by and take you once you drop him. Anna, may I make it easier? May I go drop your number and get the driver, and then you tell the driver exactly where you're there. Driver pick you up and carry you come right with me then. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, stay on the live, please.
Let me call him.